Hi.
Hi.
All right. Oh, sorry. Okay, got it. It's gonna take 10 minutes. Do you guys want to wait for it, or do you want me to call you once it's ready?
Can you just come when it's ready?
Yeah. Oh, the phone is ready. I've been calling you guys, but it's the same number.
Yeah, sorry.
You wanna go ahead and check it out? Yeah. There you go. You wanna test it, check it, make sure everything works?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah. If there's any issues, just call us, let us know, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
you.